Let's look at some other platform tricks. To access Rocked lessons without internet, open the settings and click Update All Models. This downloads the library to our computer and any new updates in the platform. Also here, to access beta level experiences, turn on this New Features button. We are always innovating our platform, but Rocked runs just fine with this setting turned off. Under Results, including an email allows the students or teacher to receive results and statistics of your studying and quizzes. Lastly, with our 8-digit subscription key, we can create a bug report and get direct service. If you press your tilde key, a system console will open. Here you can type up a report of the issue. Include the 8 digits from your subscription key and hit Submit. A screenshot is automatically sent along with your report so we can accurately fix the problem. Making a fix benefits all Rocked users globally. Thanks for learning with me. Now you're ready to rock.